Hello, everybody. Welcome back to music. It's been a little while, right? Because we didn't have school last Friday, so we didn't have music. All right, well, we're going to start off with our Welcome to Music song. Remember, we've done that one before, where I go first and you do the echo. Now, this time we're going to do the song in a different style. We're going to Jamaica. So imagine you're kind of playing in the sand, you feel like you're relaxed on vacation. It's a style of music called reggae. All you have to do is repeat what I do. So, ready? Remember, I go first. Ready? Here I go. Welcome to music, everyone. Your turn. Hope you have a lot of fun. Now is the time to sing and play. Hope you have a great day. All right, that's kind of fun. A little slower, a little more relaxed, but that's okay. It's always fun to do something different with a song. Now we're going to do a quick warm up and we're going to stick with the Jamaican theme. Here we go. Remember? I go first. Clap, 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 knees. Head, head, shoulders, shoulders. Shoulders, shoulders, knees. Clap it to the right. Clap it to the left. Right, right, left, left. Left, left, right, right. Head, 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 shoulders. Head, shoulders, knees. Every little thing is gonna be alright. That's it. Well, that's a fun way to start the warm-up, right? That was a song called Three Little Birds by Bob Marley, so a great way to start out. All right, kindergarten, let's review the rhythms that we had. So remember, when you see one of these, quarter note, right, that's called, we say ta for that, right? So this starts out with ta, 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 4 tas in a row, right? And remember, when you see one of these squiggly little things, that's called the quarter rest, rest. That means you have a beat with no sound, right? Now I'm going to whisper at rest just so you remember. Let's try this whole line. I'll go kind of slowly at first. Ready? 1, 2, here we go. Ta, 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 ta. Rest, ta, rest, ta, ta. Rest, 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 ta, ta. Good. Do you think you can do that a little bit faster? Because I want to put it together with our Jamaican music. That would be so cool. It'll be about this speed, right? A 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 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 ta. Rest, ta, rest, ta, ta. Rest, 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 ta, ta. If you can go that speed, let's try it. Good luck. Here we go. A 1, 2, here we go. Ta, 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 ta. Ta, ta, ta. Ta, ta. Good. Let's try the next line. 1, 2, here we go. Ta, 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 ta. Rest, 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 rest. Ta, ta, ta. 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 Good. How about one more? Oh boy. Watch out. This starts with the rest. Rest, 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 rest. Ta, ta. Rest, rest. Ta, 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 ta. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Alright. Good. Now, I want to show you a new note. Presenting the half note. Aha. So the half note has 2 beats, right? Now remember, ta is only one sound, right? The half note, there are 2 beats. So it sounds like ta. Let me do that again. Ta. Did I make 2 sounds with my mouth just now? I did. I said ta. 2 sounds, 2 beats, right? Now, here's the way I like to clap it. I clap on that first ta. I go ta, and then I hold, and it's like I'm pulling the note out from my body. So I really feel that that's 2 beats. Let me do a few of these. Ready? Here I go. Ta. Hear that? Ooh, let's try more than 1. Here we are. 2 in a row. Ready? 1, 2, here I go. Ta, ta. Why don't you try it with me? This time I'll point to the notes. Ready? 1, 2, here we go. Ta, ta. Well, that's pretty easy. You can all count to 2, right? So I'm going to shrink it down and we're going to add some other rhythms into it. All right, let's see if we can figure out how this one would go. I'll do it first. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 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 ta. That makes sense, right? This time, I'm going to clap it, and you're going to have to follow along with your eyes, because I can't point and clap at the same time. Ready? You can go with me. 1, 2, here we go. Ta, 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 ta. Good. Let's make a longer rhythm now. Now we have a longer line of music, so there's a bunch of ta's, right? And there's one at the end. Look out for that one. And we have some ta's also, right? Ta, ta. I think you know what to do. All right. Ready? Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 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 ta. Good. We'll do the same thing. This time, I'm going to clap it. All right. And again, you have to follow with your eyes. All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 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 ta. Good. And at the end, your eyes should be right there. Let's try one more line. Okay. It's similar, a little different, but same thing, just ta or ta. All right. Let's go all the way through without stopping. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 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 ta. Good. This time I'm going to clap it. So remember, I'm looking at just the bottom line. Okay, ready? 1, 2, here we go. Ta, 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 ta. And you should end up right there. Good. Now, let's try something tricky. Remember the rest. Here we are. Now we have the challenge round. Can you remember 3 things? I bet you can. So you have to remember ta, you have to remember rest, and you have to remember ta. Oh boy, let's try it. Okay, here we are. Ready? The whole line without stopping. Good luck, I'll go with you. 1, 2, here we go. Ta, 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 ta. Rest, 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 rest. Ta, rest, rest, rest. Ta. Did you get to the end? Good, let's try that again. Same thing, I'll point as we go. Ready? 1, 2, here we go. Ta, 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 ta. Rest, 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 rest. Ta, rest, rest, rest. Ta. Good, one more time. This time, I'm going to clap it, and you can just follow along and clap with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 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 ta. Rest, 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 rest. Ta, rest, rest, rest. Ta. Good, that's it. So you have 3 things to remember now. At the end of class, I'll show you how to draw one of these half notes. Because it's autumn or fall, I have a song for you to listen to about leaves falling from the trees. You know how they change color and then they fall? So as you're listening to the song, see if you can picture those leaves falling down from the trees. And you'll hear the music fall too. Then there's a part where the music picks up and goes up again and then it falls again. So see if you can listen for that in the song.
Swirling leaves are flying in the wind. Autumn leaves are falling, falling to the ground. Look at how they scatter, leaves are all around. Swirling, swirling leaves are flying in the wind.
This time, we're going to add some motions to the song. So I wanted to show you what they are before we do the song again. So it starts with way up high, right? Because the leaves start up high, right? Then it goes to your head, shoulders, then tummy, thigh, knees, ankles, toes. So let's try that again. It goes like this. It's way up high, head, shoulders, then tummy, thigh, knees, ankles, toes. Then when it comes back up, it goes faster, right? It's toes, ankles, knees, thigh, tummy, shoulders, head, way up high. Let's try going up again because that's pretty tricky, right? It's toes, ankles, knees, thigh, tummy, shoulders, head, way up high. Ooh, I almost messed it up. And then it goes tummy, knees, toes. That's how it ends. Tummy, knees, toes. Tummy, knees, toes. So here's the whole sequence again, right? It goes way up high, head, shoulders, tummy, thigh, knees, ankles, toes, then toes, ankles, knees, thigh, tummy, shoulders, head, way up high, tummy, knees, toes. Good luck, just do your best. If you mess up, don't worry. You'll just have fun moving to the song.
Autumn leaves are falling, falling to the ground. Look at how they scatter, leaves are all around. Swirling, swirling leaves are flying in the wind. Autumn leaves are falling, falling to the ground. Look at how they scatter, leaves are all around. Swirling, swirling leaves are flying in the wind.
I have one more fun song that has to do with shapes. So you'll need to get 4 shapes for this song. The shapes are circle, square, triangle, and rectangle. So I looked around and here's what I found. For circle, you have several options. I found the end of my water bottle has a circle, right? So I might just hold that up for the circle part of the song, right? Then it asks you to draw a circle in the air at the end of that. Or you could find a bucket nearby. I found this bucket and I thought, oh, I found a pencil to drum on the bucket. So you can drum on your circle as long as it's not something that is breakable. And I also found the end of this marker also has a circle on it, right? So there's a lot of circles. So that should be pretty easy to find. A square. Now I looked around, I didn't find a square that I could pick up. I found squares on the floor panels, but I can't pick one up. So what I did was I just drew a square on a piece of paper. And so I'm going to hold that up for the square part of the song, and then I'm going to make my square in the air. You could also make a square with your fingers if you wanted. All right, the next shape is a triangle. So you could either make one with your fingers, or I looked around, I found this funny shaped paper clip, and if you look carefully at the end of it, you'll see that there is a triangle on the end. So that's what I'm going to hold up for the triangle part of the song. Then I'm going to draw the triangle in the air. Then a rectangle. Oh my goodness, there's so many rectangles in the world. The easiest for me was just to find a book. Right, so almost any book or piece of paper will be a rectangle. I'm sure you can find a rectangle. I also looked in my wallet and found a dollar bill. That's also a rectangle. So you could use a piece of money or a book for the rectangle. So once again, the four shapes are, you'll need a circle, a square, a triangle, and a rectangle. And if you're at a place where you can't find any of those, you can make them with your hands, or you can draw those shapes on a piece of paper and point to the shape when it happens in the song. So have fun with the Four Shapes song. Alright, kindergarten, I would like you for this week to write out what we did last time, which was ta, 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 plus the new thing we learned this week, which is ta, ta. It's not that hard. I'll show you how to do it. First, let's make a ta. So remember, you make an O, a circle, and then up on the right, out of sight. Make sure you color in that note head, right? Now we just need to make three more. You make a circle. Let's see, up on the right, out of sight. I'm coloring in that note head. Let's see, another one. Circle, up on the right, out of sight. Color in the note head, and one more. A circle, up on the right, out of sight. There. So that's what we had last week, right? Or 2 weeks ago. We had ta, 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 ta. Now we're going to add the ta, which is what I had just before I colored this in. We're going to leave the inside empty. So again, you make a circle, pretty easy, and we go up on the right, out of sight. Don't fill it in, right? We want to leave this one as a ta. If you fill it in, it's too late. I'm going to make one more. All right, make a circle, and then up on the right, out of sight. That is this week's homework. Should be pretty easy. So let me just make sure I got the right rhythm. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 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 ta. See that, how it's empty in the middle? That's how you know it's ta. I'm going to clap that one last time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 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 ta. Excellent. See? Reading music isn't that hard after all. Now, to say goodbye, we have the music time is over song where I just sing something and you echo it, but we're going to go back to Jamaica for this. I go first. The music time is over. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye until the next time. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Alright, goodbye. Hope you had lots of fun. I had fun. I'll see you next week.